In this video, you'll learn how to get full-size garlic even if you forgot to plant in the fall. Garlic is a biennial plant, meaning it takes 2 growing seasons for it to complete a life cycle. The first season is a vegetative phase, where it focuses on leaf and stem growth, while the second phase is the reproductive phase. This is where you get your big bulbs and flowers. So now let's figure out how to put those 2 phases into one growing season. First thing you'll want to do is grab a bulb of your choice and break it into cloves like this. Next, you want to grab your garlic that you just broke apart. You don't need to peel off this outer layer. Actually helps it if you leave it on. So you'll put the bottom side, so you could tell from when you broke it off where the roots will come out of. You'll put that side down into either little pots, or you can even put it in like a bigger pot, just spread them around. But once you do that, I like to grab a little more soil to put over the top of them. So just like so. And kind of compact it over them. Give it a good watering. This will help them start growing. And then I'll put them in a sunny spot back here next to all my other plants. Oh, before I do that, I always write a label. I will put it in a nice warm sunny spot for it. I got another one made and put it right next to it. You'll want to let your garlic grow a few weeks indoors just so it can grow some roots and get some green shoots on it. Alright, and now for the most important step. You'll want to expose your garlic to cold. This can be by putting it in the fridge, or if it's still cold outside, you can just set your plants outside, but not too cold. That could kill the plant, so if you just put it in like a garage that's not heated, that would work too. This step's called vernalization. When you plant in the fall, it just goes through this step naturally throughout the winter. However, because we're doing this inside, we have to induce the cold somehow. Now the last step is just to get your garlic planted. You can either plant it outside if it's warm enough, or if you're like me, I already did this process and I'm just on the last step of growing the garlic now, so I'm planting them inside and growing them inside now. Starting garlic indoors and exposing it to cold can help overcome the challenge of planting in the fall, especially if you miss that optimal fall planting window. But just keep in mind the success of this method may vary, and it's essential to monitor the garlic plants closely throughout the process. I hope this video helped. If it did, hit that subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.